Okay, now I will introduce the fingerprint lock for you. And at first, when you get the lock, you could reset the lock. Here is the reset button. Press it. And the lock totally has 3 working modes. First is public mode, second is private mode, the third is limited public mode. First, we introduce you the public mode. Under the public mode, the lock is open at first. And you need to set a major fingerprint for emergency unlocking. If you want to set the major fingerprint, press here. Here are 4 buttons. Press button 1. The light will flash, and input the major fingerprint. Input 3 times to confirm. Then major fingerprint set successfully. It could use for open, close, and open the lock. If you want to close the lock, you need to send input 3 times. The lock closed. And the lock has a hook detection. If it did not detect the hook in the lock, it will open automatically. You need to input the fingerprint again. Then it closes and then close the door. The only major fingerprint, just input once, it will open. And under this mode, any fingerprint could be the user fingerprint to close and open the lock. Like this. Input 3 times. Sorry. Now closed. Close the hook. And at this time, other fingerprint could not open the lock. Like this, you can see. It could not open. Only the set user fingerprint could open it. Also, just mentioned many fingerprint could open the lock for emergency. I will show you 3 times. Close. And this is major fingerprint. So could be emergency unlocking. This mode could be used for public occasion, like gym locker, when user come and you put his fingerprint, and only his fingerprint could open the lock. Other user could not open it. Then we introduce you the second mode, private mode. You need to press the button 3. Button 3. You could hear the 2 sounds, 2 beeps. Then it will be sent to the limited public, to the private mode. And at first we set the major fingerprint. If we change the mode, the major fingerprint will not change. It also could open, close, and the lock. Under this mode, the lock is closed. You need to input the fingerprint to open it. And the fingerprint also could be open the lock. And if you want to set the user fingerprint, also need to press the button 1. With another flash, you input the manager fingerprint once and input the user fingerprint 3 times. Then the user fingerprint sent successfully. Now the lock is closed. You can use the user fingerprint to open it. Open. And after 3 seconds, the lock will close automatically. You could just push the door to close. And this mode normally is used in your home office. And the third mode is similar with the private mode. It is limited public mode. We press the button 3. There will be 3 beeps. Then it sends successfully. The manual fingerprint will also not